I think one of the opportunities of the current social verse of the landscape that I see is that we need to infuse social media with more of the social. I am Ann Handley, Chief Content Officer of Marketing Pros, author of 3 books about marketing, and passionate about content, writing, and social media. I think the biggest one in my mind and on the minds of many marketers and many businesses is artificial intelligence, or AI. You know, you can't wander through LinkedIn without tripping over post after post of how AI is disrupting not just social media, not just the social verse, but literally business, literally marketing. I think that presents a number of challenges for us as social media leaders, as marketers, as businesses. I think one of them is that we see Chat-GPT, for example, auto-answering on social media, on LinkedIn. I just came across that the other day, like, what? So I think that is a major disruption. It's a major challenge for us as marketers and as social media experts and leaders and fans and followers. Remember when social media was just maybe Facebook and maybe LinkedIn and maybe a little bit of Twitter and that was about it? Well, those days have gone. So how do we not get overwhelmed? It's being much more of a strategist, I think, in how we're approaching our roles. Where are our customers? What are some of the stories that we can tell to connect with them in a way that is going to be memorable and that is going to make our organizations relatable to those we care most about reaching? I think AI tools can help us get there. It can help us increase the efficiency of the day-to-day so that we can focus on strategically where should we be and how should we be showing up. So one of the things that the brands need to get right to sell on social is to remember that the roots of social media are around being social. It sounds elemental, right? It sounds kind of basic, but I think as tools and tactics have advanced, we've lost our way a little bit. And that's why I'm so excited about the current state of social media. I think we have new opportunities to increase our efficiency using some AI tools and platforms. It can only help us get better at managing that day-to-day of getting rid of the boring stuff so that we can connect as people with those that we care the most about reaching.